Welcome to Best Sellers Market, the channel where we bring you the hottest and most popular products on the market today. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling Riveters products on Amazon. From top-notch quality to innovative design, these products are making waves and winning the hearts of many. Without further ado, let's go. Let's dive right in. Introducing number 5 on our list of the best-selling Riveters on Amazon. The WETOLS Rivet Gun Kit with 200 blind rivets, upgraded as of April 7, 2024. This kit isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in your toolbox, offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency. This professional-grade rivet gun comes equipped with 4 tool-free interchangeable rivet heads. Yes, you heard that right, tool-free. Switch between 3 32-inch, 1 8-inch, 5 32-inch, and 3 16-inch heads with absolute ease. No fumbling, no hassle. Each rivet head conveniently stores on the handle, saving you space and time. The package? Oh, it's robust. You get the rivet gun, a whopping 200 aluminum rivets, 4 twist drills, and a sturdy blow-molded case to keep everything neatly organized. And if you ever have questions, the WETOLS professional team is just an order away, ready to assist you promptly. Using the WETOLS Rivet Gun is a breeze. Thanks to its sleeve-knurled unibody design and guide mouth knurling, changing sizes or performing maintenance is tool-free and straightforward. Operate with one hand for thinner nails or with both hands for thicker nails for faster and more accurate riveting. Versatility at its finest. Durability? It's built to last. Constructed with a high-quality aluminum alloy body and reinforced with a carbon steel heat-treated handle, this rivet gun is designed for strength and longevity. The ergonomic double-curved handle design ensures labor-saving operation, while the PVC handle sleeve protects your hands and provides maximum comfort. What about applications? The WETOLS Rivet Gun Kit handles aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets across various operations, construction, maintenance, or DIY projects. However, note that the 4.8 mm rivet head is not recommended for use with steel and stainless steel rivets. For a tool that combines durability, ease of use, and a comprehensive package, the WETOLS Rivet Gun Kit is your ultimate choice. It's more than just a rivet gun, it's an investment in quality and efficiency. Don't miss out. Elevate your riveting game today. Next on our list, securing the number 4 spot in our countdown of best-selling riveters on Amazon, we present the Rivet Nut Tool Rivet Nut Kit. This kit isn't just a tool, it's your ultimate ally for tackling those tight spaces and demanding projects. Compact and versatile, this 8-inch right-angle rivet nut tool is designed for those out-of-reach confined spots that other tools just can't handle. It's perfect for small rivnuts with single-hand operation, and for larger rivnuts like M6 and 1420, you'll get the best results using both hands. Grab it and go, solving riveting challenges with ease. A true one-stop solution, this kit includes everything you need in a well-organized, rugged carrying case. Inside, you'll find a step drill bit, 8 universal interchangeable mandrels, 4 SAE sizes, 6, 32, 8, 32, 10, 24, 1, 4, 20, and 4 metric sizes, M3, M4, M5, M6, plus 80 carbon steel threaded nuts, 10 for each mandrel. And let's not forget the professional user manual to guide you every step of the way. Built to endure, this rivet nut tool boasts a steel arm with blackened and heat-treated finishes, an aluminum alloy body, and thick non-slip PVC grips. It's engineered to resist corrosion and deformation, ensuring long-lasting strength, durability, and reliability. Ease of use? Absolutely. This tool features single-hand operation, a modular detachable design for simple riveting, easy mandrel changes, and maintenance. Its rotary knob structure makes nut loading and releasing straightforward and efficient. The versatility of this kit is unmatched. Use it to add attachments with bolts to working pieces like metal and fiberglass. It's perfect for various applications, from van walls to metalworking, railway projects, aviation tasks, bicycle repairs, off-road adventures, RV modifications, and even home improvement projects. And a quick tip, mandrels are consumable items and can be damaged with uneven pressure or improper use. But don't worry, additional replacement mandrels in all sizes are available in our store. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is just a message away. The Rivet Nut Tool Rivet Nut Kit, where compact design meets unparalleled versatility and durability, ensures your projects are handled with precision and ease. Elevate your toolkit with this essential riveter and experience the difference today. Now let's turn our attention to number 3 in our countdown of best-selling riveters on Amazon. Introducing the Aero Heavy Duty Riveter Kit, a professional pop rivet gun that takes your riveting tasks to the next level. This riveter kit is designed to handle general-purpose jobs with ease, accommodating rivet diameters from 3/32 inch to 5/32 inch. Whether you're working on gutters, furniture, or canvas projects, this tool is your go-to solution. The extended nose feature is a game changer, allowing you to reach those tight, hard-to-access spots effortlessly. It's perfect for a wide range of applications. Portability and convenience define this manual riveter. With 4 interchangeable heads included, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Simply swap the heads as needed, and you're ready to tackle any riveting challenge that comes your way. No more juggling multiple tools. This kit consolidates your needs into one powerful package. However, it's important to note that this riveter is not recommended for use with 3/16 inch diameter all-steel rivets. Stainless steel rivets are also not suitable for manually operated rivet tools. Stick to the specified sizes, and you'll find this tool performs flawlessly. The Aero Heavy Duty Riveter Kit is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for metalwork, automotive projects, gutter repairs, and more. Whether you're a novice just starting out or a seasoned pro, this rivet gun will meet and exceed your expectations, ensuring that every job is completed with precision and efficiency. Invest in the Aero Heavy Duty Riveter Kit and experience the perfect blend of performance, portability, and ease of use. Elevate your craftsmanship with a tool that's built to deliver outstanding results every time. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling riveters on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm pop. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a riveting update. Next, at number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling riveters on Amazon, we present the NEU Master Rivet Gun with 200 pieces of rivets. This isn't just a rivet gun, it's an engineering marvel designed to transform your riveting experience. Let's talk versatility. This rivet gun comes with 4 interchangeable heads: 3/32 inch, 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch. These heads are color-coded, marked, and stored conveniently on the handle. Changing them is tool-free and effortless. Each head comes with 50 aluminum rivets, providing everything you need to start riveting right out of the box. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the NEU Master Rivet Gun boasts a 3-piece rabbit jaw Como aluminum alloy structure. Reinforced with a carbon steel heat-treated handle and a high-quality aluminum alloy body, this tool is built to withstand the test of time. It's robust, reliable, and designed for stable operations. Ergonomics play a key role in its design. The pop rivet gun is crafted to be used with a single hand, making your work easier and saving over 20% of your effort. It features a fixed sleeve and knurled rivet heads, allowing for tool-free changes or maintenance with ease. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to simplicity. What's included in this set? You get the rivet gun, 200 aluminum rivets in 4 different sizes, a sturdy BMC case, and a user manual, plus a worry-free 2-year warranty. If you have any questions about NEU Master Tools, their dedicated team is always ready to assist you. The NEU Master Rivet Gun excels in a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on metalwork, automotive projects, aviation, railway, elevators, instruments, or furniture, this tool is your ideal companion. It's also perfect for fastening metal and heavy fabric in repair applications. For those seeking a combination of durability, ease of use, and comprehensive functionality, the NEU Master Rivet Gun with 200 pieces of rivets stands out as a top choice. Elevate your craftsmanship and efficiency with a tool that's engineered for excellence. Here we are at the pinnacle of our top 5 countdown of best-selling riveters on Amazon. Claiming the #1 spot is the WETOLS Rivet Nut Tool, model WE882. This isn't just a tool, it's the epitome of precision engineering and robust design, crafted to elevate your riveting tasks to a whole new level. The WETOLS Rivet Nut Tool comes equipped with an impressive array of 7 interchangeable mandrels, covering both metric and SAE sizes. From M6, M8, and M10 to 1420, 51618, and 3816, This tool provides the versatility you need for any riveting project. And yes, it includes 2 mandrels for the 1/420 size, ensuring you have everything at your fingertips. Ease of use is a hallmark of the WETOLS Rivet Nut Tool. Changing the mandrel is a breeze. Simply remove it by hand, no extra tools needed. This feature makes maintenance quick and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without any interruptions. Built to last, this rivet nut tool boasts mandrels made from chrome steel, heat-treated at 40 degrees Celsius, and arms constructed from 45 carbon steel. This combination provides exceptional resistance to corrosion and deformation, ensuring the tool remains sturdy and durable through countless uses. Every accessory in this kit is thoughtfully packaged in a solid blow-molded carry case. This case not only enhances portability, but also keeps each tool securely in place, preventing movement and scratches. Organization and protection all in one case. The complete accessory set includes 70 rivet nuts, with 10 for each mandrel size and 20 for the SAE 1/420 size. Note that the 1/420 mandrel comes pre-installed in the gun, so you're ready to start your project right out of the box. In conclusion, the WETOLS Rivet Nut Tool, with its blend of versatility, ease of use, durability, and comprehensive accessory set, stands unrivaled. It's the ultimate choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Equip yourself with the best, choose WETOLS, and experience the pinnacle of riveting excellence. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling riveters on Amazon. To stay updated with the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon. And